2007 Lexus ES350 luxury sedan. Dark red pearl metallic, aluminum sport alloy wheels, good tires, Michelin tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust, Nice black leather interior, wood grain trim throughout, carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat, parking sensors, retractable rear shade, dual sunroofs, heated and cooled front seats, premium Mark Levinson sound system, CD player, large touchscreen navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, less than 89,000 miles. Come out and see us at Equalizer.